to another travel edition of Travel with the Seas, and today we are aboard the Royal Caribbean Radiance of the Seas. This is our room. It's a spacious ocean balcony room, and we're going to show you around. So first off, this is open plan. We have a nice sofa. I think that's a sofa bed. It's really nice. Comes with a nice TV that comes out. You've got the nice mirrors here. Nice little light decor. But yeah, we had to purchase them bottles of water. They don't come free. In here you've got the safe. Nice safe. Here you have a nice tabletop refrigerator. In here you've got storage. This is where you're gonna hang our clothes. You've got your life jackets here. You've got a ladder. Interesting. Never ever have I seen this ladder. Never. Let's go show you the bed. You've got one bedside cabinet here with a table lamp. Nice king size bed that can split into two if you wish. Let's just zoom out of that. There you go, nice king size bed. Another bedside cabinet with another aboard light. Let's go show you the balcony. Look at it. We're docked at the moment. Beautiful balcony. Currently docked at Long Beach in Malay. Finally, let's show you guys the shower / bathroom. Okay, nice, compact. Give you towels, toilet, nice mirror area. All you need really. There's the shower, nice and clean. I'm 6 foot, so I can definitely fit in here. I'd say probably people 6'6" and over might have struggle. But anything under than that, you should be cool. And that's it. If you like our channel, please subscribe to the next room we're in. Have a good one, guys. We're out sailing like Christopher Columbus out here. Peace.